Welcome to our channel Multimedia of Science. Now I am discussing that of the some important graph on the topic chemical kinetics. It will be more helpful for that of the plus 2 students and NEET repeaters. Okay, let's start. First I am dealing with that of the rate versus concentration graph. Okay. So zeroth order, first order, second order. These three graphs are discussing here. So first one is about the zeroth order reaction. How is the rate versus concentration graph? Okay. So for the zeroth order reaction, the rate versus concentration graph is like this. On x-axis the concentration and on y-axis the dx by dt, that is the rate, and here this is a straight line. This is the graph for the zeroth order reaction. Then next is about the first order reaction. For first order reaction, how is the graph with rate versus concentration? As usual, the x-axis has concentration and y-axis has the rate, and the graph is straight line but uniform. Clear? Then next is about the second order reaction. Okay. So in the second order reaction, the graph of rate versus concentration. Here the rate, and here the concentration, and here the graph is same as the first order, the uniform straight line. Clear? Next we are discussing about the graph which is on basis of the T half. What do you mean by T half? The half-life versus concentration. So concentration versus half-life graph is discussing for these three, not zeroth order and first order and second order. Clear? So first zeroth order. For zeroth order, the graph is like that. The T half, the half-life is on y-axis and the concentration is on concentration versus T half graph. So concentration is on x-axis, and here the straight line, uniform straight line is giving here. And what is the equation for the T half and the K relating equation? T half is equal to R0 divided by 2K. T half is equal to R0 divided by 2K. Clear? Yes, this is the rate of concentration that is indicated by the letter K. Next is about for the first order reaction. For the first order reaction, how is the T half versus concentration graph? So, if we take the concentration on the x-axis and the T half-life on that of the y-axis, then the graph will be a straight line. Clear? Then if we consider the 1 by concentration on the x-axis and the T half on the y-axis, then this graph will be like this. Clear? Next is about the nth order. Generally, not for that of the second order, third order, all the graph with that of the nth order, that is n equal to 1, 2, 3, okay, etc. And what is about the graph of the nth order? So nth order graph like this. If I am taking the 1 by concentration graph raised to n minus 1 and T half on the y-axis, then this graph is like this, a straight line. Clear? Next is about the relation, the equation which connecting the T half and K for the first order reaction. I am already discussed the equation for that of the zeroth order reaction. T half is equal to R0 by 2K. Next is about the first order reaction, the T half and K relation. What is that? Yeah. T half is equal to, I am writing here, T half is equal to 0.693 divided by K. This is the relation for T half and K in the first order reaction. Clear? Next is about our concentration versus time graph. Concentration versus time. The third one is about concentration versus time graph. Okay, so here I am discussing one graph for the zeroth order, and there are three graphs for the first order reaction. So first I am dealing with that of the zeroth order. Zeroth order, the concentration versus time. So time on the x-axis and concentration on the y-axis, then the graph will be like this. Clear? And here the slope is equal to, minus of k. Clear? Negative slope is there. Next is about the first order. How is the graph of first order reaction for the concentration versus time? Here there are three graphs. First one is about the concentration on the y-axis and the time on x-axis. Then this graph will be like this. Clear? Next is about when the time on x-axis, same as here, but the log r is on the y-axis, then the graph is with negative slope. Clear? Next is about the log y-axis contain log r0 by r. Okay, r0 by r. Then the x-axis has same time. Then the graph is having the positive slope. Clear? These three graphs are having the x-axis same time, but the y-axis is different. And this is the graph for the zeroth order with a negative slope. So slope is equal to minus k. So this is generally based on that of the some important graph from that of the chapter chemical kinetics. So please focus on these points and study well.